Hello and welcome back to my first video of 2022. This week I am going to be making a blackberry and apple oat bake. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. I'm going to put my saucepan onto a medium heat. I'm going to add in my milk, cinnamon bark and some bashed cardamom. I'm going to bring it to the boil and then cover with a lid and leave to simmer, and then put it to one side so the cardamom and cinnamon can infuse the milk and apples for 15 minutes. I'm going to take my mixture and pour it into my bowl. I'm going to remove my spices. I'm now going to take my fork and break up all the apple. Now I'm going to add in my porridge oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, my roughly cut up pecan nuts, and blackberries. I have lined my tray with greaseproof paper and I'm now going to pour in my oat mixture. I'm now going to bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes and serve with milk, ice cream, cream or low-fat yogurt. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.